Hey everybody, told you how to keep you informed on projects and whatever else I started working on. That brings into this guy right here. Decided to call the project Lowbrow, probably because it takes somebody stupid to start talking about what I'm going to be doing with this thing. This is a 99 model 1-ton GMC truck. As you can tell, it is the old body style. So just so happens I know a guy that's got a lot of parts for one of these. And that guy is me. This thing from the factory has a 350 Vortec 480 transmission. Like I mentioned, it is a 1-ton, but it is a single wheel 1-ton. It does have a full floating rear axle in this thing. And on top of that, it has plenty of rust. What there is not rusted is this completely gone. Differential looks rough, but I think it's okay. Obviously, this frame is completely roasted. The cab isn't faring much better, but that's okay. I have these parts. As it stands right now, this rig has somewhere around 153,000 miles on it. If I can get this to zoom up right. Might not be able to see this. $153,323 miles. Very plain Jane. Manual windows, manual locks, but it does have air conditioning. For somebody my size, I'm very thankful for air conditioning. The overall picture of the interior looks nice. It does have manual floor shift, which automatically means this thing's 4-wheel drive. I was thinking about building a 3/4 ton truck of this body style with the 6-liter that I have in the garage. I started looking for 480E transmissions because I have a 3/4 ton frame that's good for this body style. Looks like I'm going to be doing some pretty heavy swapping from parts between this cab and a few other cabs, along with a frame or two that I've got. Figure out what's the best parts of all of this. If the 350 is good, it'll stay. If it's not, we're looking at the first official project that may be a 6-liter swap. Anyways, here's one of the cabs and maybe beds that I may use on this thing. Yeah, it is an early 90s truck, but I've done plenty of the dash swaps and everything else. All the rust on top of this cab is pretty superficial. There's not anything actually rusted through. But anyways, lots of parts, lots of potential. We'll see how much of it actually happens. So here's the 3/4 ton frame I was talking about. This is out of a 90 model Chevrolet truck. Get to figure out how much of the front suspension and whatever else is the same or different between the two. But this one's not rusted out. Fuel lines, brake lines, all that stuff. I have all that new. It actually came with the rest of the other truck I just bought. But anyways, Project Lowbrow.